Hey guys, in today's video I want to share how you can make extra dollars doing something that you already enjoy doing. And what is that? Watching online videos. So before we go on, let us establish something here. When it comes to making money, for the most part, having the right knowledge is key. That means you gotta learn before you can start earning. And that is what I'm here to do for you. I do the research, filter the information I get, know what is working and what is not working, and bring what is working to you for you to apply and improve your finances. In this year, I hope to see that you do better than you did last year as regard your finances. That is why I believe and I want you to apply everything you learn on this channel and see how well your finances is going to improve in this year. So let's dive right into it. How do you make some extra dollars watching online videos? It's very simple. There are some organizations that are regulated and some bodies who bring in some kind of survey information to you. They're doing like a pool. They want to get the opinion of the population, of the audience, on what some product or some services they're providing is going. So what they do is they do some kind of survey and they send it out there, and they require you to do very simple tasks. Complete the survey question and then watch the video. Some of them have ads. You watch the ad and then they reward you for doing this task. It is really interesting. So how do you get started? You either download the app if they have an app, or you sign up on the organization site, have an account with them, and then you log in, regularly watch videos. This is something that you do every day. And the interesting thing here is that the videos available have different categories. So you have some interesting category of your choice. You don't have to get fixed to watch something you don't like. You can choose between art, between fashion, you can choose food, you can choose entertainment. Just choose something that you enjoy doing. And interestingly, you don't even necessarily have to sit down and watch it. It's just for you to, use your data rather than binge on other videos that may not necessarily pay you, in fact that will not even pay you. So I feel it's best for you to give that time watching these videos and then getting paid that money that they reward. So let's start with the first one. The first one is Cash Kicks. I'm going to write the name there for you to see. Cash Kick is a site where you watch videos, you watch ad, and then you answer their survey question. The second one is Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollar was established in 2000, and since then they have paid their users over $50 million in cash. And one interesting thing I like about Inbox Dollar is this: when you sign up, they give you a free $5 as just like a welcome bonus for just signing up. And then you watch their videos, you also take the survey questions for them. Then the next one is Swagbucks. Swagbucks was established in 2010, and since then they have paid their users over $348 million in cash and a free gift card. What does Swagbucks do? Swagbucks allows you to watch videos and also to take survey questions. The next one is My Point. My Point do the same thing. They have videos that they require you to watch, and they also have survey questions they need you to answer. Now, one interesting thing about My Point is this: they do not pay you in cash like the others do. They pay you in points, and those points can be converted into cash. There are websites you can go to and convert those points into cash. Now, the payment for this watching all these videos, you could be paid into your PayPal account if you have one, or you can be paid directly into your account, your bank account. But most of them require you to own a PayPal account. So if you don't have one, I would advise you to go open a PayPal account and then you use that to apply for this sites. Then the fifth one is Enable. Enable does the same thing, allows you to watch videos and also allows you to give your review on their products and their services. Then we have the sixth one, Irazoo. Irazoo is also an online site that pay you for watching their videos. Then there's another one, the Success. So the next one is Success Box. So Success Box require you to do the same thing, watch their videos, watch their ad, and perform simple tasks like answering survey questions. So guys, that is it. There are a lot of other sites, but I picked these ones because these are the most reliable ones, and these ones have been running for years and they've recorded success stories. So you can go right ahead, fill in the registration details. It's not so difficult. What you just need is to sign up. You just need to sign up with your name, create a username, and then put in your password and some other few requirements that will be asked of you, like your PayPal details and also your bank details where you want the organization to pay your reward into. So that's just basically that. So if you're looking into improving your finances, I bet you should pick up this habit of no longer watching videos for free, but now watching videos to make good income for yourself. And you don't need so much to be part of this. What you just need is to have a smartphone. It doesn't have to be an expensive smartphone or a smartphone that's so big, just something that is portable but have internet access. You can have data in it and you're good to go. So that's just what you require, and then it doesn't take much of your time. Like I said before, now you can even do this while doing something else. For instance, if you have a football match to watch, you can just on it. That period where you're watching the football match, the video is running, or you're doing some simple thing at home that's taking a little bit of your time. You can just turn on the video and then start watching. Now, there is something I would like you to also know. Making money here is not automatic. It requires your dedication. You have to be consistent in it. You have to be regular in watching videos in the site, because you're being paid at the end of every video, like the one that gives you points. There are particular number of points that you get, and then you convert that into your payment. It could be maybe for a review. If you complete a full review, you're going to be completing that full review and getting 300 points, and that converts to some particular amount of dollars. So that's just how it is. You need to be consistent, you need to be regular on it, and you need to give your best in doing it. It's just an extra thing to improve your finances, like I said. So don't be afraid to going into it. And then, yes, you can put that link. I want to help this girl to be. So it's just something extra to boost your income. So just give yourself to it, and just do it. Share this video, get your friends to watch, get people you know that would want to improve their finances this year to also watch, and then apply what I'm sharing here into their finances and see how best they do in this year in their finances. Thank you so much, guys, for your time. I hope I'm giving you good content. Let me know in the comment section what you think. Let me know if you have some questions to ask. Please drop them in the comment for me, and I will do well to answer them. Thank you so much, guys, and have a beautiful day. Bye.